Can I use a home loan for renovations, or can I get a home loan to include renovation costs? Yeah, well, of course you can. We've got to be careful that you're not classed as an owner-builder. The banks aren't very particularly fond of lending to owner-builders, but so we'll take that out of the equation, and let's just assume that you're a normal purchaser, got a new house, but you want to put some add-ons or whatever. Yes, you can get finance in that scenario. The banks may ask to see invoices for the works that you are going to do, and also have that work reflected in a valuation for improvement in the cost or the value of the property. Or you can get a loan and have a component of that loan sitting there for renovations. That might be the easier way. And that's all dependent on the equity that you do have. So if you're under an 80% LVR, most banks will allow you to take your loan to that and really not ask any questions about the nature of why you want that additional money. And then what you can do is have that additional money sitting in an offset account, and it's just waiting there for when you want to do renovations.